Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. So, children, today what's the topic about? As you all can see, the topic is about birds. Yes? Yes. What is the topic about? Birds. Yes, children. So, children, what are birds? Can you all repeat after me, okay? I know it's okay. If you all don't know, I'll be explaining to you all. What are birds? Birds are vertebrate animals that have feathers, wings, and beaks. Birds are they are vertebrate animals, yes, that have feathers, wings, and beaks. Okay, let me show you all some of the birds. Yes, see, as you all can see, this is a hummingbird. Yes. Okay. This is also a bird. And this is also a bird, ostrich. Children, but one thing I would like to explain that not all birds can fly, though they are having beaks, but they cannot fly. Like, for example, ostrich. Can ostrich fly? No, it's a bird, but it cannot fly. Okay, so some birds cannot fly, few birds. Ostrich, and there are few other birds I'll be explaining to you all. Okay, I'll show you all some of other birds. Yes, stork, this is also a bird. Parrot, yes, have you all seen parrot? Yes, parrot is also a bird. Swan, have you all sat on a swan? No. Yes. Falcon. Yes, this is a bird. What is the bird's name? Falcon. Goldfinch. Yes, goldfinch. Kingfisher. What is the bird's name? What is this bird's name? Kingfisher. Owl. Yes. What is the bird's name? Owl. And many more other birds I'll be showing you all. Yes, and explaining about each bird in my next video. Okay, please stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye bye, have a great day.